we introduced this Jalaram Jayanti annual awards since 2018 for all the communities on whatever good work they do in Leicester or throughout the world. Last year, due to COVID, we had the Jalaram Jayanti worldwide, and most of the awards have been given to our team in London, Africa, and 70 temples around the world. As they say, the last ones that get anything are at home. So you are the last ones. Some of these letters are dated December 2020, but what I do is really read them out, and if you don't mind, then later on, our team will just give them to you. So Lord Chitesh Katia, for championing the organ donation, Councillor Rashmikant Joshi, Professor Nilesh Samani, Sir Peter Salisbury. Actually, Peter was here on Friday. He couldn't make it today. He came to, have his vaccination. Well, he came to the vaccination center, and then we invited him here to show him the organ donation office, and awarded him this appreciation award. Councillor Manjula Sood. My co-trustees, I've had no issues with them. Whenever we say anything, they say, just say, do whatever you want. Bhadrasilbhai Trivedi, Jayantibai Kotecha, Jayantibai Chandarana, Ketanbhai Kotecha, and Biju Gilani. Our past trustees, Nareshbhai Popat and Sunil Woodde. Thanks, Naresh. We've got auditors, the Pinnacles. Asha Ben is part of the furniture here. Asha Ben? You do a lot of seva. Asha Ben serves food during the tiffin period. When we had the tiffin service, she works with the homeless, and she also does a lot of seva here. Asha Ben, thank you very much. We got Asha Ben's daughter, Dhrusha. She's another excellent supporter. Dhrusha, thanks a lot. Aarti Ben Chandarana, Suresh Bhai Patel, you've been a tremendous support. Piyush Bhai Lakhani, our ex-financial controller, Asha Ben Chandarana, Bhabi. Where is Bhabi? This lady, I've seen her since last 40 years. Raji Matajina and all the sanghas that are being done, she does them every morning. Thank you very much. Ajit Singh, security, easily recognizable. Mahendra Bhai, Raju Bhai, our chief priest. Whilst we're on that point, Mahendra Bhai, yes, sir. Pan ખાવા ગયા છે? આવો અહીંયા, તમારું કામ છે, રાજુભાઈ. Actually, Mahendra Bhai and Raju Bhai are the pillars of this temple. They have actually, from the day they came into the country, they've been part of this place, and both seva kari. And there's a surprise. In fact, I had to ask you to leave the office, your own office yesterday. There's a surprise that the Board of Trustees have decided yesterday that we'd like to invite you as a board member of the trustees. Sir. Janti you are part of the board now. Who better than him to be a trustee, Janti bhai. Hi. Raju bhai. Narendra Bhai, our photographer, Manoj Bhai Keshav. Thank you. I know that you and Naresh worked very hard during the NHS, and the number of meals that you all served on behalf of the Lions Club and on behalf of Jalaram Temple, it's amazing. And Leela Ben, has left that legacy behind. It's so touching. I was in London. Naresh Bhai sorted out this scheme with you with Lions Club. And you served so many meals during those all those things are in the souvenir which you'll see. Pikubai Indocha from Lions Club, Steve Timmons, who actually has been introduced to us by Rakha, he's here. But Steve has actually helped us proofread the whole souvenir. Mr. Singh is, the guy who cleans this place since last 25 years. Really appreciate. Jalaram Jayanti worldwide. It just happened that with Bapa's grace, we managed to celebrate it last year through virtual with 75 temples around the world, and we had over 70,000 viewers on the day, and thereafter 1 million through various social media. Mahesh Karya, Sailesh Raja, Bhajan, Steve White, our ambassador for multicultural activities. We got another excellent project which Sunil and Ash have been leading. That's the Winter Sleeping Homeless project down there. Obviously last year because of COVID they didn't come. But between November to March we sleep the homeless there. And I've been there few evenings and seen how hard the volunteers work, playing games with them, feeding them at night, sleeping them. And Salma, who's head of One Roof Sleeping Project, we've been closely working with her. Mukund Bhai's wife, on the Jalaram Jayanti, we had the tremendous support of Greenford Mandir, Rajni Bhai Khiroya, Rashmi Bhai, Shanil, Robin, John. Again, we come back to organ donation. Obviously, we do miss Kirit Bhai today, his presence, but I'm sure his wishes are with us. We've got Prafulaben Shah here, who's, as you know, part of our trustees at Jod. She's very active. We've got Bharat Patel, Avril. We've got Sejal Ben Saglani, Manar Bhai Mehta, Neil Soneja, Neeraj Joshi, Bharti Bhikha, Shivam Kakad, Bhupen Bhai Vasa, Vijay Bhai Seth, and Sunil Daga. These are the Jod team from London. So, this temple, it's now connected to the London and Leicester. So, Prafulaben, can you stand up if you are around? Prafulaben, you've been tremendous support to Kirit Bhai and all our co-trustees. And sorry, we cannot invite each of you to receive the organ, this thing, but we would request you to collect them later on. Yeah? Thank you very much, Prafulaben. Jalaram Balvikas, we've got Sajan Ben, Prafulaben, and Deepak. They learn an excellent, actually it's funny, even Biju, the new trustee, didn't know, we have Gujarati classes downstairs, which have been built by Naresh. The library is made into a makeshift Gujarati school and the community center across every Saturday. And we are always linked with the Oxford Center for Hindu Studies. And Sajan Ben, Prafulaben, and all the teachers work so hard. Every year we get 100% results in A-level. Hanuman Seva Trust, Mansukh Bhai, you need to come forward. Just a start. On behalf of all those very hard, dedicated sevaks, we've been so fortunate. We just have to tell Mansukh Bhai Akarwanuj, whether it's, yesterday, for instance, the vaccination center, obviously there are computers and everything, and that shut at 5 o'clock. Yeah. By 7 o'clock, they just changed it all into a dining area. So it's the credit really goes to Mansukh Bhai and his team. Very dedicated. Mansukh Bhai, I'd like to thank you very much for your real support. The car parking, Jalaram Jayanti, when we have 2,000 to 3,000 people, they manage everything for us. So Mansukh Bhai, thank you very much. Ketan, would you like to, on behalf of everybody? So do collect your trophies next week. Obviously, the press, most important for us. Don Kotak. Don, you here? Who doesn't know Don? Don, thanks a lot for your support. Sabras, Sanskar, Gulzar from Gulzar, Rajiv Popat, we got BBC East Midlands team, Leicester Mercury. Tremendous support. I keep on getting calls, can you send me the press release? And at that time I said, have we done a press release? You know what it's like. But no, really, we are very thankful to all the Leicester press, Asian Voice, Sibi Patel, and Gujarat and Gujarat Samachar. We've worked with NHSF. I mean, what COVID has done, during the COVID period, we had a lot of Zoom meetings, over 20 or 25. And we also entered into Zoom meetings with NHS, the Students' Forum. They are excellent. Sujal Shah from Sanskar team, member and content lead. Mitali Patel, South Zone. Shiromi, events team, Francisca Bhavisha, London Zoom team, and Deepika Nandi. There are quite a lot. I mean, these students, I think they have a reach of about 50,000 unions, student unions, and they're very professional. And as you said, Lord Jitesh, that technology, we just connect to one and the Zoom start, yeah? I shouldn't be forgetting the recent one, which is the vaccination center, which we just started with Patel's chemist, Dhanesh Kadia and Sanjay Sabani. Thanks a lot for your support. They've started sending me weekly statistics, and I can tell you this walking center has become popular for all communities in Leicester. So Dhanesh, congratulations to your team, Dr. Nick. I mean, I believe you are the head of the whole thing. We've just met today, but your whole Mornington chemist is doing an excellent job, very professionally run. And Kamlesh Purohit from BBC, who usually helps us MC. I do apologize if I missed out on anybody, but this is, I think, final awards for this year. Thank you. It saved us a year, by the way, so we didn't have to make one this year. This is 2021. So thank you very much. Ramila Ben, where are you? You need to come here. Ramila Ben and Raj, can you come up here? I sat down with Ramila Ben and Raj. I said, look, how about a souvenir? And that's sure. I said, do you know you're taking on a difficult task? That means 25 years of historical pictorial souvenir. And at that time, she was relaxed. And in the last 4 weeks after I came back from India, she was tearing her hair, you know. Ramila Ben? I mean, at this juncture, I think all the VIPs have, and all the volunteers can pass on those goodie bags to all the other guests. May I request you to all unveil the souvenir, which Ramila Ben, please come. She has actually kindly designed an excellent souvenir. She won't say any good words with me because we were on Zooms at 3 in the morning since last few weeks. Moving out pages, changing. But you know what she's actually managed to do is the activities we've done during COVID, it's all in a bell. So please do take the opportunity of all of you opening the souvenir, unveiling the souvenir. The volunteers can start giving out the piggy banks to all the other guests. Yeah, Ramila Ben, thank you very much. And my apologies for not letting you speak. Yeah, this is official. No, she's done it. I hope you all, basically what we've done is a pictorial souvenir since last 25 years of all the activities that matter. I mean, today a lot of, we've heard a lot from distinguished guests, the medical fraternity, sports. What we need to all do, I think as a community, we have a lot of challenges ahead. We've got challenges like mental health in our community, major problem, dementia within the Southeast Asian community. And those are things which we all need to consider, how as community we can help everybody, yeah? My apologies, but since we are going next door now, my mind can go on things there and who's been helping us there. I mean, can we invite Ricky Patel up here? He's designed the whole Salaram Jhopri. Ricky, thank you very much. Ricky, when you go next door, you'll appreciate what Ricky has done. I mean, he's one of the best designers of all stuff. He's got an arts studio in Leicester. And I remember even during the Prince Edward's this
Yes,
thing. We just had to ring him, and he got the photo and everything here. So Ricky, thanks a lot for your support.
Pleasure.
So please, Ricky. Rick has been working till yesterday very late. So when everybody goes there, you'll recognize what Rick is built there. Priti, can I let you carry on? Yeah. Oh, sorry. Can we present Priti with a little bouquet for the all? I mean, Priti is like my young sister. Come down, come down. I always put her in the deep end. You know, I said, okay, Priti, it's yours now. You deal with it. We are missing Sanjay Rukani, who was going to co-host. But last Sunday, Priti, Sanjay and I had a conference call and Zoom, and we set up the thing. So Priti has had to take on the whole burden of the emceeing. So thank you very much, Priti, for all your help and support. Sorry, can we have Avril here and Asha Ben? Avril, Asha Ben, can you come here, please? Asha Ben? Thank you, Priti. Thanks a lot for everything, yeah? Priti, I've known her since she was this high, when the first Hindus came to see us about organizing big programs here. For all the hard work you've done. Thank you very much. Avril, thank you very much. Avril is actually Bharat's wife, and she's actually given her kidney to Bharat, and they've dedicated their life for the organ donation. Avril, thank you so much. So, I may have forgotten some. I do apologize, you all families. I mean, we've got all the Pius Pies, all the Saints Lamric Pies from London. Thank you very much. I mean, most of all, I was touched when Shanti Bhai, Narendra Bhai, Masi, Naveen Bhai, Vinod Bhai, my friend Raj from London came. It was wonderful to see all these London guys who are very much Bapa's devotees. It was wonderful. So, you know, I'm touched that they've all been here for this auspicious day. Thank you very much.
Jaliyan Mangalam Virbai Mat Mangalam Jaliyan Mangalam Virbai Mat Mangalam Shri Hari Mangalam Raghunath Mangalam Shri Hari Mangalam Raghunath Mangalam Dham Virpur Mangalam Jaliyan Mangalam Virbai Mat Mangalam Jaliyan Mangalam Virbai Mat Mangalam Shri Hari Mangalam Raghunath Mangalam Shri Hari Mangalam Raghunath Mangalam Dham Virpur Mangalam. श्रीनेकटेक सत्यनिवाधारी मंगलम श्री सदाव्रतधारी अवतारी मंगलम श्रीनेकटेक सत्यनिवाधारी मंगलम श्री सदाव्रतधारी अवतारी मंगलम जलियाण मंगलम वीरबाई मात मंगलम जलियाण मंगलम वीरबाई मात मंगलम श्री हरि मंगलम रघुनाथ
ज्ञानपूर्णे नित्याङ्गे कृपाणं शुभङ्करी आत्मपूर्णे
श्री पूरण पद अधिकारी महामानव मंगलम जलियाण मंगलम वीरबाई मात मंगलम जलियाण मंगलम वीरबाई मात